Probably just like boing, boing, boing.
Looney Tunes, when they're sneaking around and it's like, doon, doon, it's like a piano, or maybe it's like a cello or something, but it's like, doon, 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 doon.
I'm gonna go with the classic pew, 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 pew.
Pew, pew, pew. Wah, 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 wah. From Charlie Brown, the teacher. I use that every day.
My favorite cartoon sound effect has got to be either that of Speedy Gonzales making his little mouse feet run, or the Roadrunner, and it sounds like this. Pew!
The Nickelodeon, like, chicka chicka.